This is a how-to for the lessons for French 2B this trimester. Every Monday, take a look at your Schoology French 2B page. And if you go to French 2B, and it might look a little different for you, I'll have the lessons by date. So I just clicked on the one for this week, April 20th through the 24th, which is Unit 7C. And the very first thing you're going to see is the PDF with the instructions of the lesson. So open that up. If you have any trouble, let me know. And it walks through the whole lesson step by step so you know what you're doing. And the very first thing it will instruct is to, give me a second now, take a look at an overview of what you'll be doing. Like listen and take notes to the study guide with the video. You're going to do some Quizlet activities, complete the practice packet, and take the Schoology assessment. So step 1, study guide notes, starting on page 8 in your green study guide. So you get a pen or pencil, you get your laptop or your phone or whatever you're going to listen to it to, and you click on the link according to what hour you're on, and it takes you to Edpuzzle, and you have to have an account. If you don't, there's a sign up in the corner of your blank area, and I'm already kind of signed in, so it's going to be different for me, but it's going to take you to the class that is your particular hour. So if your first hour French 2B, you are going to see a screen like this, and you'll start watching it, and there'll be 3 multiple choice questions while you are watching. You aren't going to be able to fast forward, but you can pause. After you're done with that, the next step is to log into your Quizlet account. If you don't have one, make one. They're free. And then go to your specific, that's a typo. I will get rid of that. Go to a specific Quizlet class according to your class hour. So if I click on this one, it will take me to the Quizlets for the week. So this week you're doing this one, and this one. Last week you did these 4. So what do I expect you to do with each Quizlet? Well, you click on one, and you are going to choose 4 of these activities. You might do flashcards, write, test, and match. Maybe instead you'll do learn, spell, gravity, and go back and do write, but 4 different ones. So you need to keep track of which ones you did, because I can see the results, and if you did only 2, you're only going to get the partial credit. So you need to choose 4, and that means you're done with that particular Quizlet. Then you go back and you do the same thing for whatever is left. So for example, this one, you'll click on that and you'll choose 4 different Quizlets to do, and make sure you're logged into your account for your class hour according to this. Then next you'll go to your practice packet, and you will complete your practice packet. The pages are here. You can use your study guide. You can ask me questions. It's absolutely to your benefit to actually walk through and do that. You have time, do a couple pages each day till you're done. I really, really encourage you to follow through on doing those. Ask me any questions on Schoology. And then the answer key is posted in the materials section for the week. And when you're done, the survey walks you through the packet and asks, hey, how'd you do on this part and this part, so that I can get some feedback on how you're doing. And that's helpful for me. So you'll actually, this is where your Google account should be down here. For this section, you log into your Google account, and that's going to allow you to complete the Google form. You can't complete the form unless you're logged into your Google account. So again, this is a typo. I need to resubmit it, move it down here. And then finally, your Schoology assessment. That one is going to be short. I just decided it's nice to have one last final little thing. It's very short, and I'd like you to try for a 75% or higher, actually. Last week it was lower, but I think that makes a lot more sense to try for a C average on this. Take it as many times as you want. Don't use your notes. See what you know, and then that would be the end of it. So the goal would be for you to do a little bit of that every day and be done by Friday. So if you're having trouble, let me know. If you don't understand, let me know. And we're all in this together. So I hope you guys are doing okay. look for an update on Wednesday. I'll do some listening activities that I'll send out for those of you who are interested. I'll also include a music link that day, maybe some culture, and also hopefully a recipe. So take care. Au revoir.